Welcome back to our series on American interior design. Today, we're heading to the heartland of the United States, where the Midwest's unique blend of traditional and modern architectural styles creates a rich tapestry of interior design. From the handcrafted elegance of arts and crafts to the sleek industrial aesthetics born from the region's manufacturing roots, each style tells a story of the past while shaping the present. The arts and crafts movement, which flourished from the late 19th to early 20th century, is a hallmark of the Great Lakes region, particularly in states like Michigan and Ohio. This style was a reaction against the mass production of the Industrial Revolution, emphasizing handcrafted quality, natural materials, and intricate woodwork. Homes in this style are warm, welcoming, and grounded in nature, featuring built-in furniture, exposed beams, and stained glass windows. The industrial style emerged from the repurposing of old factories and warehouses in cities like Chicago and Detroit. This style, rooted in the Great Lakes industrial history, is characterized by exposed brick, metal fixtures, and open-plan spaces. The raw, unfinished look of these spaces speaks to the strength and resilience of the region, blending the utilitarian with the aesthetic. Farmhouse style in the Great Lakes region, particularly prevalent in rural areas of Wisconsin and Minnesota, draws inspiration from the simple, practical homes of early American settlers. This style is defined by its use of natural materials, vintage furniture, and cozy textiles. It's all about comfort and a lived-in feel, with spaces that are both functional and inviting. Prairie Style, pioneered by Frank Lloyd Wright in the early 20th century, is deeply connected to the flat, expansive landscapes of the Plains states like Illinois and Kansas. This style emphasizes horizontal lines, flat or hipped roofs, and open floor plans that echo the vastness of the surrounding prairies. The use of natural materials like wood and stone further ties these homes to their environment, creating a seamless blend of architecture and nature. Scandinavian Style, popular in the Plains region, particularly in states with strong Scandinavian heritage like Minnesota and North Dakota, is all about simplicity, functionality, and connection to nature. Characterized by light, airy spaces, minimalist furniture, and a neutral color palette, this style embodies the Nordic concept of hygge, a sense of coziness and well-being. Rustic Style, particularly in the rural areas of the Plains states like Nebraska and South Dakota, draws from the natural surroundings to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. This style features raw wood, stone, and other natural materials, often with a hand-hewn look. The focus is on creating spaces that feel cozy and lived in, with an emphasis on comfort and simplicity. We wrap up our journey through the diverse and timeless interior design styles of the Midwest. From the handcrafted details of arts and crafts to the sleek, minimalist lines of Scandinavian design, this video showcases how Midwest homes blend history with modern trends. Whether you're inspired by the raw industrial look or the cozy charm of farmhouse decor, Midwest interior design offers a wealth of inspiration. We hope this journey has inspired you to explore and incorporate these timeless styles into your own home.